The Farm at Arapahoe County Hardwood Flooring. Explore the world of extraordinary hardwood flooring offered through the Farm at Arapahoe County Hardwood Flooring. We take great pride in providing the highest quality craftsmanship and expertise to transform your working and living areas into something truly extraordinary. If you're in the market for exotic or traditional hardwood flooring, our team of highly trained professionals are here to give you stellar results. We are experts with the installation, maintenance, and refinishing of exotic or traditional hardwood floors, while restoring their original beauty and making sure they will stand the test of time. It's not just flooring. We also provide expertise in hardwood stairs repair, refinishing, and installation to create an aesthetically pleasing flow throughout your home. However, what really distinguishes us is our innovative method of dustless sanding. There's no trouble or mess, only incredible results. We recognize that certain places in your home or business may require special attention. We offer top-quality laminated flooring as well as luxury vinyl plank flooring that is designed for high moisture and areas with high traffic, including kitchens, bathrooms, as well as mudrooms and indoor hot tub areas. Be assured that even in the busiest locations, our flooring choices will exceed your expectations. We believe in providing individualized solutions for each of our customers. Our knowledgeable staff will help you navigate each step and ensure that your dream becomes an actual reality. Here at the Farm at Arapahoe County Hardwood Flooring, our goal is to transform your home into something truly special. You can trust us to be the one-stop shop for all your wood flooring needs. Select the Farm at Arapahoe County Hardwood Flooring for top-quality hardwood flooring. Contact us at the link below or visit our website today and let us help bring your ideas to life.